G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Domino's. They got their new pasta pack pizzas out. And I did see that Pizza Hut had the pasta pizza and well, it just looked so horrible. People say that pineapple doesn't belong on pizza. I don't think pasta belongs on pizza. And I didn't want to have to drop $20 on a Pizza Hut pizza that to me sounded disgusting. But Domino's has got a $7 one, so I can afford to throw away $7, can't I? Anyway, let's whip inside, grab one, suss it out and see what it's like. If it's any good, I might even have to go to Pizza Hut and try theirs. So let's go get one. Alright, well here we go. I got my pasta pack pizza. I got the mac and cheese one today. I could have got a bolognese or a chicken carbonara. Thought I'd go the mac and cheese. Because why not? Cost $7 and well, I got the scales. Let's see how much it weighs. Alright, well it's about 313 grams minus the box, say 10. That's about 300 grams, I reckon. Well, that's about a burger weight. Anyway, let's suss it out. Oh, yes! Can't wait to see what this looks like. La-da-dee-da-da-da. Oh, well, that actually looks half decent. Quite liking all these nice brown bubbly bits on top. And the crust looks good and it smells really tasty too. And it's also looking nice and cheesy. Let's see if I can get some mozzarella stretch. Oh, yes! I got some! This smells so good. Now apparently there's just mac and cheese on a pizza base with extra cheese and some garlic butter. So it might have a bit of a garlicky taste. I certainly hope so. Still stretching. You ripper. Okay. Let's go. Wow. That actually tastes good. Wow, that's a rarity. Domino's pizza tasting good. Well, I've had a few good ones. But well, I'm just so really surprised at how good it actually tastes. Now, the pasta they use is this tiny little sort of round one. And ooh, if I squeeze it, ooh. Maybe that's the garlic butter. But it's really nice and soft and al dente tasting. I'm liking it. Oh, this pizza's just so cheesy and creamy tasting, and it's just got this beautiful, subtle garlic flavour about it. Sometimes those cheesy sauces can have like a tanniny sort of funny flavour. This has kind of got a little bit of it, but it's not too bad. Oh man, this is good. And the crust is great too. I'm really surprised. Double carb pizza. Well, I've been on a diet lately and well, I've been trying to avoid the carbs, but with a pizza that tastes this good, it's going to be hard to do nowadays. Wow. Wow. Wish I got the large one now. Although the kilojoules in these things would undo about 6 weeks of hard work. But with the flavours that these have, mate, it might be worth it. That mac and cheese is good. It's got a really nice saltiness about it. And it just tastes really good. I'm so surprised. This crust is really oily and greasy too, which is making the experience even better. Maybe because it's hot and fresh straight from the oven too, that really makes a difference, but oh boy, I am really enjoying this. But I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $7 for the mini pizza. I think it goes up to $18 for the bigger ones. But, mate, I really like these mini pizzas. They're a good size, and I just find the crust on them seems better, and they cook better, and they just seem to taste better. And flavour-wise, mate, I was just flabbergasted by how good it actually tasted. I was literally dreading eating a pasta pizza, and I thought I couldn't think of anything worse than a pasta pizza, but boy, was I mistaken. The creaminess of that mac and cheese with the garlic butter, and well, there was lots of cheese on this, and there seemed to be plenty of pasta too. It was fairly well packed in there, and just the whole flavour of it was so creamy, and that garlic butter just filled my mouth, and oh boy, and the pasta was soft and chewable and edible, and oh boy, this was really good. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the pasta pack pizza, well, I got the mini today. I reckon this deserves 9.5 out of 10. It really surprised me at the taste, and well, I was expecting it to be really horrible, but it actually tasted way better than I could even imagine it could. I still think they're pretty expensive. I mean, I could get a large pizza for probably, $6 or something now, $7. But yeah, I mean, definitely worth a try. If you're scared about trying one, mate, just eliminate those fears, because, well, it eliminated mine, and I'd be definitely coming back for one of these things because they taste awesome. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I review a pizza. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's